Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we installed the stereo and the back camera in this particular car, which is Audi A6 2017 model. And I will be talking about the screen. It's basically a flip screen. You press this button, it comes out. The original one is same as well. So we installed it. We replaced the original one with the aftermarket Android screen, which is Android 10 and 64 gigabytes. And we also installed a back camera in this car as well. So I'll be talking about its specifications and why the aftermarket screen is worth buying and better than the original one. So if you just start the car, the screen will come up like so, and this is the original menu of it. And once I press here, there it takes you back here. If we talk about this stereo or head unit specifically, this is an Android 10, 64 gigabytes of memory and 4 gigabytes of RAM. This stereo has the latest Octa 8-core processor, which is 1.8 gigahertz, and performance it goes up to 2.4. Pretty good quality as well. The LCD, the screen, which is full HD as well. And this stereo, you can connect a lot of things to it. First of all, it's an Android stereo, so you have the Android firmware, or what you can call it. If I go here to the applications here, sorry, my bad, I open Bluetooth. If I go to applications here, you can see there are Android applications, and you also have like in Android or on iPhone, you have App Store to download any kind of applications. On Android, you have Play Store or Play Boutique, you call it in Swedish, where you can just open it up, log in, and download literally anything as well. Like you will see, you can use Spotify here, Waze here, Netflix, YouTube, other stuff as well. You can watch live TV as well, football matches, and you can do literally anything. So that's the benefit of having an Android stereo. The second thing is this car didn't have an original back camera, so we also installed an aftermarket back camera and connected it to the stereo. You can also connect in a wireless Apple CarPlay to the stereo as well, but the customer didn't wanted it, so we didn't install it. You can also connect in front camera to the stereo as well, and many more things. But by installing this stereo, you don't have any worry of losing previous controls. Like if you have a BMW, let's suppose, and you have iDrive here, like we have here, you have no worries. If you have auto parking system, other stuff as well, parking assistance, and then you shouldn't worry about losing those functions. For example, this car have steering wheel controls. They work as normal. If I play something, this is for the skip button, this is for the volume button, so they work as normal. This one is the original navigation one. You can use any navigation there as well. So all of your older functions on your car, if you have here, they will work as normal as they worked before, but even though you will have more functions. For example, if you want to use the older stereo, you have a facility to do that as well, by just if you can see here, DVR is for the front camera. The media, obviously, then the MMI menu, which is your older car menu, you can go back there as well. And you also have navigation. I can see which navigation application. The Waze has been selected right now as the default navigation app, but you can use any application you want, like such as if you want to use Cyjik, if you want to use iGo navigation, Google Maps, or anything else you can use, because it's Android, you can install anything. Then you also have the smart seat and air purifier, mirror links, and other stuff as well. So these are the additional, what do you call, basic features after installing an aftermarket Android head unit. We have like this kind of stereos for all the cars, literally all the cars. This is an Audi A6, and you can also, these buttons here, they work as well. If I press it, it goes back in. Press it again, comes back in. And now back camera, I will show you. If I put it in the reverse gear, as soon as I put it in the reverse, the back camera comes up. you will see it's a really good quality, and you have a lot of, it's right now it's very dark outside. I don't know if you can see it or not. There is our warehouse. It's pretty dark right now outside, but you can see the quality is very good. And you also have a lot of settings here on the back camera, like for example contrast, colors, brightness, and the lines and stuff. These ones, car sensors, they work as well. So this is the back camera we installed in this one, and as soon as I put it in the parking, right now it was in reverse, so back camera is there. As soon as I put it in the parking or neutral or drive mode, it will take you back to the Android stereo. This is that simple. So this was the stereo we installed in this Audi A6, and if you have Audi A6 or any other Audi, or if you have a BMW, Mercedes, Toyota, Volkswagen, Kia, any car, we have stereos for every these kind of Android stereos for all the cars, even with cooler looks and looks and features as well. You can if you have any questions, you can comment below, or you can ask us. I will leave all the particular information in the description below. You can contact us, you can call us as well, or you can visit us as well. There is our warehouse. It is located in Sollentuna, Stockholm. This is Malmvägen 18D. You can visit us as well, you can talk to us as well, and that's it for today, I guess, and I will see you in the next video, most probably. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment sections. And till the next video, take care and bye bye. I will see you in the next video.